That's what they call you fast head,
Yeah,
right?
feel that silver just out of the oven, man. So good. But what we're going to do, buddy, is we're going to make a syrup. What I love about this particular cake.
Sometimes all the hard work for nothing here.
Yeah, I know. Well, it's the story of my life, man. I work in media.
Yeah.
And so what's happening with you these days? So Luca for a long time was the exec chef for Barilla Australia.
Yeah.
Amazingly talented guy. What are you doing with yourself now?
At the moment, I'm consulting. It's a funny word because basically it doesn't mean anything, does it? But I'm just I'm pretending to
He's the
know a
guy
lot.
who stands in the corner and says, "Oh no,
Don't do it. And charge a lot of money for it. No, I'm just going right and left. I still the ambassador for Barilla, so I still do a lot of gigs for them around the countries and in Asia. I got a couple of the Italian brands which I consult for, Italian of course. And anyone that needs me, mate, you know, like here.
Well, you can make cake
Mate.
on stage.
After this, I'll send you an invoice. How do you
Nice.
Nice.
Alrighty, so we've got our cake, mate. We're making a syrup to go over the top. Now, alongside what we're going to do is we're going to make some pears to go with it, buddy.
What have you got in there? Sorry, I missed it.
This is just a bit of sugar, and look, normally I'd use water, but because I had the juice from the